Hi everyone, it's Eva Pieczek here from Abundant Results Coaching, and today I'd love to share with you a very simple tool that can help you stop self-sabotaging behavior and self-sabotaging thinking. And the tool is called 5 seconds rule. You may have heard of Mel Robbins and 5 second rule before, but if you haven't, I'm sure you will love it. If you have, I would totally encourage you to start practicing it. I've learned it over the weekend and I've been practicing pretty much every day. I love it, totally love it. So what is 5 seconds rule? Apparently you have 5 seconds to stop your mind or stop your brain from sabotaging you from taking the right action or pursuing an idea or correcting yourself when you're in negative thinking. So let me give you an example. Let's say you are working on a new habit of getting up in the morning and your alarm clock goes off at 6 a.m. and you have a thought, I should get up. Now, if it's a new habit, then it's very likely that what comes after is your paradigm. And there will be thoughts and reasons why you shouldn't get up. Maybe not today, I'm just going to start tomorrow. My diary is not that full, I can sleep in. Oh, today I feel tired, I'm just not going to get up. I'm just going to give myself several more hours. And so on and so forth. I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about if you've ever been working on this habit or any other habit. So here's what you do. The minute the alarm goes off, when you want to apply the 5 seconds rule, you start counting backwards. It's literally like, you sometimes watch on TV, you watch a NASA rocket launch, and you see the countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what you're gonna do is you're going to do your own countdown, ideally out loud. So what you do is the minute the alarm goes off, 6 a.m., you say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In your imagination, you can even picture the rocket launching. And the minute that you hit 1, you jump off your bed and you're ready to go. No more going back to bed, you're starting your day. And this 5 seconds gave you opportunity to take action on the first initial impulse, which was your inner wisdom and a new habit that you want to create. If you don't do that, then it's very likely that the mind is going to talk you out of it. So where can you use the 5 seconds rule? I mean, I love it, guys, and I've been testing it and it works really magic. So the first place, as I mentioned, getting up, the new habit of getting up. As we all know, the more time you have in a day, the more you can program your mind for success. So it's just very useful to get up early, plan your day, work your plan, do your morning routine, and just feel wonderful throughout the day. The second place where you can use 5 seconds rule is when you receive ideas towards your big goals. Very often you may have an idea, I want to contact that person, I want to write that book, I want to do this email campaign. And if you do not take any action, even if it's emailing someone to start the ball rolling, then the mind is going to talk you out of it because the mind doesn't want to be uncomfortable. So it's going to give you all sorts of reasons why you should not pursue that action. And that's pretty much why most people do not achieve their goals, because they are being self-sabotaged by their own mind. So you can use the 5 second rule whenever you feel you should take an action step towards your goal to trick your mind from stopping you. And the third place where you can use this type of technique is implementing new paradigms or changing your habits, changing your thinking patterns. If you have been studying with me, if you have been working on thinking into results, now you already know how challenging at the start it is to change a habit, introduce new habit, or change a thinking pattern. Because what happens, even if you have a paradigm shift formula and you have accountability, between 20 or 60 days at the very start, you're very uncomfortable. So what you do is, let's say you have those early days when the paradigms are just stopping you from changing that or implementing that new habit, you can use the 5 second rule, countdown, to take action. If, let's say, you're creating a habit of making 5 new sales calls every single day, or going to the gym 3 times a week, or going on these dates and opening new channels to find your love partner, whatever it is, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 before your mind starts sabotaging you. And that will make your paradigm shift easier. And then finally, I love that one, when it comes to negative self-talk or negative talk. Whenever you're creating a goal the mind will try to sabotage you. I mean, that's pretty much by rule. The mind, the subconscious mind, is going to bring you back to comfort zone when you're moving towards your goal. So very often, let's say we may have negative self-talk about ourselves, so our confidence, or negativity, just negativity turns on. Let's say we might experience some sort of challenges while we're pursuing our big goal, and the mind naturally goes into catastrophic interpretation of what's going on outside and the worst case scenario. The minute you notice that, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and introduce some productive affirmation. Let's say you have tendency to be negative and you go on and on into worry, doubt, and fear. Then you say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. And then you say some affirmation. For instance, I only allow thoughts that are productive for me, that serve me. Or I'm always looking for the good in every person and every situation. What you're going to do is literally retrain your mind to go to where you want it to go. Same with your confidence. If you're going for interviews and you're about to apply for jobs that you want, but they may be slightly beyond what you think you're capable of, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go and apply. And it will not stop you anymore. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you want to learn more, I will pop the name under the video. It's Mel Robbins, 5-second rule. You can definitely check her out on YouTube and watch. There's quite a bit of information on this. And I hope you will try it and watch magic happen. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic week.